So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment training of trainers week 3rd assignment 3rd. So now the first question is which of the following refer to factors built into the training program to increase the chances that transfer of training will occur. So these are the option: training evaluation, training design, training need, training organization. So now let's check the answer of first question. So the answer of first question, training design and type of training. Training design refer to factor built into the training program to increase the chances that transfer of training will occur. So the answer of first question is B, training design. Now the second question is which of the following is one of the elements of instructional strategies in designing a training program. So these are the option: practice, feedback, opportunity, learning styles, self-efficacy. So let's check the answer of second question. So the answer of second question is instruction strategies, learning, participation and feedback. So the answer of second question is A, practice, feedback. Now the third question is a room where training will be conducted is called as dash. So trainers accommodation, trainees accommodation, training site, training structure. So now let's check the answer of third question. So the training site refer to the room where training will be conducted. So the answer of third question is the training site. Now the fourth question is which of the following is one of the principles of adult learning. So these are the option: no motivation by extrinsic and intrinsic factors, have need to be self-directed, no problem solving approaches to learning, no use of work related experience into work process. So now let's check the answer of fourth question. Principle of adult learning have need to be self-directed. So the answer of fourth question is B, having need to be self-directed. Now the fifth question is people learn best if dash and dash are given as soon as possible after training. So these are the option: action, reinforcement, punishment, feedback, feedback responses, reinforcement, feedback. Now let's check the answer of fifth question. People learn best if reinforcement and feedback are given as soon as possible after training. So the answer of fifth question is D, reinforcement and feedback. Now the sixth question is checking of the bounce or absorption of sound from the walls, ceiling, floor and furniture is called as dash. So these are the option: glare, acoustic, sitting arrangement, lighting. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of sixth question. Acoustics, sound from the wall, ceiling, floor and furniture. So the answer of sixth question is acoustic, B. Now the seventh question is how many strategies are there in conflict management. So these are the options: 6, 4, 8, 5. So the answer of seventh question is D, 5. Now the eighth question is which of the following is not one of the purposes of training and development. So these are the option: performance improvement, disobeying company rules and policies, upgrading skills, solving problem. So now let's check the answer of eighth question. So purpose of training and development: performance improvement, skill updating, solve organizational problem. So the answer of eighth question is B, disobeying company rules and policies. Now the ninth question is which training program focuses on short-term courses that would help employees learn about the latest development in their respective fields. So these are the option: skills training, team training, refreshing training, cross-functional training. So now let's check the answer of ninth question. So refresher training, the focus is on short term courses that would help employees learn about latest development in their respective fields. So the answer of ninth question is refreshers training. Now the 10th question is what does strategic framework approach imply in the human resources management approaches for training and development. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of 10th question. So training result in the development of those skills and competencies in employees that are unique and superior to competitors, leading to competitive advantage. So the answer of 10th question is A. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.